And here goes our hoop. And this is going to be something important that I really want to show you, because it'll help you when drawing. You always want to draw parts of things first. So that was a little rough. So what you're going to want to do is zoom 400%. See, it's all rough. So you go edit points. You can just kind of smoothen these out. And that kind of didn't help there, so just leave it. Sometimes it doesn't really want to work, so you can grab this. And then want to make it thinner. There we go. So now it looks a lot better than it did before. Now we want fill effects. You can change it. Like if we want to make this look metally, we can make it do this thing, which is that, or we can have these stock textures that they have, which are kind of, I don't know. I don't use them unless you want to make something wood. I guess it kind of helps. Patterns are nice because they let you choose what you want to do. You get to choose colors, different types of stuff without having to physically draw it. I've never done this, but you can fill something with a picture. So if you want somebody's actual face, you can draw a circle and fill it with a picture. So my phone was ringing there. The only thing about this is it's probably not going to work with this, the metally look, because it's not one pole, it's one and then it curves. So I just kind of mess around, seeing what it looks like. But I think our best bet here would just to make it solid gray, kind of a cartoony look here. Then you got to draw your hoop, which can be drawn like so. I mean, this probably not gonna look good. Thing about this is you gotta experiment. You gotta try different things until you find what looks best. Kind of like that, but I'm going to edit the points after I zoom in. Make this one a little bit higher. This one a little bit higher inside. Let's see how it looks. It's not great, but it looks fine enough. So, I have a really sensitive mouth, so it always does that. Dang it. Make this 3D-ish. Now I really screwed that one over, so I want to zoom in because everything can be undone. Now it looks pretty good, I must say. gonna have to draw around here. Actually, no, we don't want any fill. We just want the, Actually, you know what? I have a better idea. There we go. Now we can add fill, orange, zoom out. Now as you can tell here, you can make everything on the hoop a little bigger. Let's group it up first. I don't judge PowerPoint's animated capabilities on my drawing skills, because they're not very good. Now, I know the 3D and 2D stuff is all off, whatever here, but it's just a tutorial. So, another thing you can do is you can save as a picture. You can save it as JPEG or a special PowerPoint file, but you don't really need to. Another thing that I kind of like is like to use is callouts, which is literally a text box in the shape of a word bubble. So you can use those a lot. But alright, let's continue on the tutorial. So we're done the drawing stage. In part 3, I'll show you how to animate it.